Dear students, today we are discussing the play Macbeth. If you remember what we had discussed in the previous classes, ultimately Macbeth, enticed by his wife Lady Macbeth, killed Duncan, the King of Scotland. Everyone suspected Macbeth, though Lady Macbeth had stained the cheeks of the grooms with the blood of Duncan. Everyone suspected Macbeth because Macbeth was going to be the next King of Scotland. Duncan's two sons, Donalbain and Malcolm, fled Scotland. They ran away from Scotland because they understood they would be the next target of the murderer. Donalbain took shelter in Ireland and Malcolm took shelter in England. As the king was dead, his two sons were not available. Macbeth was the king of Scotland. Thus, all the prophecies of the witches came true. We are starting from that point. Open your books at page 46. Macbeth and his queen could not forget the prophecy of the weird sisters that though Macbeth would be the king, but the children of Banquo and not of Macbeth would be the kings after him. If you remember what the witches had predicted about Banquo, Banquo would not be the king, but his descendants, Bongshadharera, his son, his grandson would become king. That was why Macbeth and Lady Macbeth were afraid that after the death of Macbeth, their son would not become king. Banquo's son would become king. The thought that they had defiled their hands with blood by committing regicide only to place the posterity of Banquo upon the throne had rankled within them. Here, the sentence is like this: the thought rankled within them. To rankle within, that means to cause great pain. A thought caused great pain. What was the thought? That they had defiled their hands with blood. To defile means to tarnish, কলঙ্কিত করা. They had tarnished their hands with blood. তারা রক্তে হাত কলঙ্কিত করেছে. They had tarnished their hands with blood by what? By committing regicide. Side, any word ending in side means murder. For example, suicide, homicide, patricide means the killing of father. Matricide, the killing of mother. Regicide means the killing of a king. They had killed Duncan. The blood of Duncan was on their hands. But why had they done it? Only to place the posterity of Banquo upon the throne. Posterity, that means next generation. Macbeth and Lady Macbeth had tarnished their hand with the blood of the king. তারা রাজ রক্তে হাত কলঙ্কিত করেছেন. But who would benefit? The posterity of Banquo would benefit. That means Banquo's next generation would be king. This thought caused great pain to Macbeth and Lady Macbeth. So they decided to kill Banquo and his son Fleance, to nullify the prediction of the weird sisters. To nullify means to make it false. Weird sister means the witches. The witches had predicted that Banquo's descendants would become kings. Macbeth and Lady Macbeth wanted to make this prediction false. To nullify means to make it false. How can this prediction be made false? This prediction can be made false by killing Banquo and his son Fleance. Fleance was the son of Banquo. If Banquo is killed, if his son Fleance is killed, then there is no posterity of Duncan. তাহলে ডানকানের পরবর্তী প্রজন্ম বলে কিছু থাকে, তাহলে ব্যাঙ্কোর পরবর্তী প্রজন্ম বলে কিছু থাকে না. If Banquo is killed, if his son Fleance is killed, there is no posterity of Banquo. For this purpose, they arranged a banquet. Banquet means a feast. Macbeth and Lady Macbeth organized a feast to which they invited all the chief thanes along with Banquo and Fleance. All the nobility was invited to this feast. Nobility, that means the thanes, the landlords, the generals, everyone was invited, because if only Banquo is invited, it will give rise to suspicion. That was why all the thanes, all the generals were invited to this feast. Macbeth appointed some hired assassin. Assassin means a political killer, hired killer. Macbeth appointed some hired killers. তিনি কিছু খুনিকে টাকা দিলেন. He hired some killers and beset them on the way. Banquo and his son were supposed to pass. These killers would wait in ambush. Ambush means hiding place. They would wait in ambush along the way Banquo and his son would come. When Banquo and his son comes, they would jump upon them and kill him. But Macbeth's plan did not succeed fully. The assassins pounced upon them. To pounce upon means to jump upon. The killers jumped upon Banquo and Fleance and killed Banquo, but Fleance managed to escape. Banquo was killed, but his son Fleance managed to escape. In the original play, Banquo exhorted his son to run away. Banquo বলেছিলেন ছেলেকে পালিয়ে যেতে, because there was no point in being both killed. দুজনেই নিহত হওয়ার চেয়ে he urged Fleance to run away. Fleance ran away, Banquo was killed. Now we are coming to an important 100-word question. Describe the feast where Banquo and his son Fleance were invited by Macbeth. So this video comes to an end. I will upload another video.